Hello, everyone, welcome to the channel with a new Pharmaceutics 1 topic. So, let's begin the topic with a new video. Today's topic is Pharmacopoeia. From Unit 1. Before going into the topic, please subscribe and click that bell and thumbs up button for latest updates on pharmacy classes and on NEET exam. Pharmacopoeia or formularies or compendia. The books containing the standards for drugs and other related substances are known as pharmacopoeia and formularies. Collectively, these books are known as the drug compendia. The pharmacopoeias or formularies contain a list of drugs and other related substances regarding their source, descriptions, standards, tests, formulae for preparing the same, action and uses, doses, storage conditions, etc. These books are prepared under the authority of the government of the respective countries. The word pharmacopoeia is derived from the Greek words pharmakon, meaning drug, and poio, means make. Literally, it means that it is a list of medicinal substances, crude drugs and formulae for preparing from them. These books are revised from time to time so as to introduce the latest information available as early as possible after they become established. In order to keep the size of book within reasonable limit, it becomes necessary to omit certain less frequently used drugs and pharmaceutical adjuvants from each new edition of the book. Therefore, in each new edition of these books, certain new monographs are added while the older ones are deleted. For the preparation of these books, the expert opinion of medical practitioners, teachers and pharmaceutical manufacturers are obtained. Classification. The drug compendia are classified as I. Official compendia, 2. Non-official compendia, A. Official compendia. Official compendia are the compilations of drugs and other related substances which are recognized as legal standards of purity, quality and strength by a government agency of respective countries of their origin. E.g. British Pharmacopoeia, BP. British Pharmaceutical Codex, BPC. Indian Pharmacopoeia, IP. United States Pharmacopoeia, USP. National Formulary, NF. The state pharmacopoeia of USSR and pharmacopoeias of other countries. B. Non-official compendia. The book other than official drug compendia, which are used as secondary reference sources for drugs and other related substances, are known as non-official drug compendia. E.g. Merck Index Extra Pharmacopoeia, Martindale, United States Dispensatory, etc. Indian Pharmacopoeia. History. The historical developments of pharmacopoeia in India traces back to 1563 and the credit goes to Garcia da Otto, a Portuguese physician cum teacher. The idea of indigenous Indian pharmacopoeia was conceived in 1837, which bore fruits in 1841 in the shape of Bengal Pharmacopoeia and Conspectus of Drugs. The Hindustani version in Bengali and Hindi of London Pharmacopoeia was made available in India from 1901 onwards. The Indian Pharmacopoeia list, published in 1946, formed the seeding for the true official Indian Pharmacopoeia published in 1955. The first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1955, but actually the process was started as early as 1944. In 1944, Government of India asked the Drugs Technical Advisory Board to prepare the list of drugs used in India, having sufficient medicinal value to justify their inclusion in official pharmacopoeia. The Indian Pharmacopoeia List, 1946. The list of drugs both included and not included in the British Pharmacopoeia along with standards to secure their usefulness, tests for identity and purity was prepared by the committee and was published by the Government of India under the name the Indian Pharmacopoeia List 1946. The committee, constituted under the chairmanship of Colonel Sir R. N. Chopra along with other 9 members, prepared the list of drugs with the following details: substances included in the British Pharmacopoeia for crude drugs, chemicals and their preparations. Substances not included in the British Pharmacopoeia. A. Drugs of plant origin. B. Drugs of animal origin. C. Biological products. D. Insecticides. E. Coloring agents. F. Synthetics. G. Miscellaneous. H. Drugs for veterinary use. The Indian Pharmacopoeia List 1946 was prepared by Department of Health, Government of India in 1946. First edition of Pharmacopoeia was released in the year 1955 by Department of Health, which is Government of India. And the addendum or supplement was later included in the first edition of Pharmacopoeia in the year 1960. First of all, what is meant by addendum or supplement meaning? Addendum or supplement meaning something that has been added to a book, speech, or document. At the end of the book. E.g., if we want to include new drugs information into the book, we add them through a document called addendum or supplement to the old edition. Second edition was released in the year 1966. Supplement. Addendum or supplement was added in the year 1975 by the Government of India. Third edition was released in the year 1985. During this year, 2 volumes were released. Addendum was released into different years, once in 1989 and in 1991 by the Government of India. Fourth edition was released by the Government of India in the year 1996. In this year also 2 volumes were released, but here addendum was released once in 2000, which is a non-veterinary addendum. In the same year, a new addendum was attached, which is veterinary addendum. In 2002 and 2005, 2 different addendums were attached to the 4th edition by the Government of India. 5th edition was introduced in the year 2006. In this year, 3 volumes of the 5th edition was released and 2 addendums were attached to this edition, once in 2008 and in 2012 by the Government of India. 6th edition was released in 2010. 3 volumes of 6th edition was released and an addendum was attached to 6th edition in 2012 by the government. 7th edition was released in 2014, where 4 volumes were released in 7th edition. And also, 2 addendums were attached to the 7th edition, one in 2015 and another in 2016 by the Ministry of Health and Family, MOHFW. 8th edition was introduced by the Government of India in the year 2018, where 4 volumes were released in this edition. In the edition, 2 addendums were released in 2019 and 2021. For the preparation of Pharmacopoeia of India, the pharmacopoeias of other countries like British, Europe, United States, USSR, Japan, the National Formulary, USA, and Merck Index were consulted. The persons working in pharmaceutical industry, drug control laboratories, research and teaching institutions also actively participated. Under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, the Indian Pharmacopoeia is an official book which contains the standards for drugs and other related substances included in the pharmacopoeia. The drugs and other related substances prepared by pharmaceutical manufacturers must comply with these standards. Various official publications related to pharmacy profession in India. 1. National Formulary of India for the guidance of medical practitioners, medical students and pharmacists in hospitals and in sales departments. National Formulary of India has been formulated. 1961 edition was published by Government of India, Ministry of Health. 1966 second edition was published. 1979 third edition was published. It contains information about drug interaction, resistance, cumulative effects, drug dependence, prescription writing, etc. 2. The Indian Pharmacopoeia. Under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, The Indian Pharmacopoeia is an official book which contains the standards for drugs and other related substances included in the pharmacopoeia. The drugs and other related substances prepared by pharmaceutical manufacturers must comply with these standards. 1946 Indian Pharmacopoeia list was published by Government of India. 1955 first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published. 1960 supplement of IP 1955 was published. 1966 second edition of IP was published. 1975 supplement of IP 1966 was published. 1985 third edition of IP was published. 1989 addendum I to IP 1985 was published. 1991 addendum to IP 1985 was published. 1996 fourth edition of IP was published. 2000 addendum 1 to IP 1996 was published. 2000 wet supplement of IP was published. 2002 addendum to IP 1996 was published. 2005 addendum 3 to IP 1996 was published. 2007 fifth edition of IP was published. 2008 addendum 1 to IP 2007 was published. 2010 sixth edition of IP was published. 2012 addendum I to IP 2010 was published. 2014 seventh edition of IP was published. 2015 addendum 1 to IP 2014 was published. 2016 addendum to IP 2014 was published. 2018 8th edition of IP was published. 2019 addendum 1 to IP 2018 was published. 2021 addendum to IP 2018 was published. Under each monograph, chemical structures, molecular weight, physical description, solubility, identification tests, standards, assay method, storage etc. are given. Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by the Controller of Publications, Delhi on behalf of Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 3. The British Pharmacopoeia. Under the Medical Act 1858, the General Council of Medical Education and Registration was empowered to alter, amend and republish the British Pharmacopoeia, BP, as often as necessary. The first BP was published in 1964. 1864 the first BP was published. 1926 Committee of Civil Research recommended that a Pharmacopoeia Commission be formed and it should be entrusted the work of new editions of BP and also recommended that BP be revised and reissued at an interval of 10 years. 1932 new edition of BP was published according to the above recommendation. 1968 Medicines Act 1968 gave the responsibility of preparing the BP to the Medicines Commission. Medicines Commission reconstituted the British Pharmacopoeia Commission and gave the responsibility to British Pharmacopoeia Committee. 1980 the 13th edition of BP was published. 1988 the 14th edition of BP was published. 1993 the 15th edition of BP was published. Followed by 2007 BP was published. 2007 monograph has been introduced for material specifically used in preparation of traditional Chinese medicines. Term prolonged release has been replaced, the term slow and the term gastro-resistant has been replaced with enteric coated in number of monographs. BP 2008 contains approximately 3,100 monographs for substances, preparations and articles used in practice. It has been made effective from 1 January 2008. BP 2007 to 2009 were given in 6 volumes, i.e. Volume I2, Volume 6. Followed by 2010 BP was published. TSO, the Stationery Office, on behalf of the British Pharmacopoeia Secretariat. Part of the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA, has recently published the BP 2010. The British Pharmacopoeia is the official collection of standards for UK medicinal products and pharmaceutical substances published annually. The BP contains monographs for pharmaceutical substances, formulated preparations, and other articles used in the practice of medicine. The standards in the BP 2010 are legally effective in the UK from 1 January 2010. The BP has been providing authoritative, official standards for pharmaceutical substances and medicinal products since 1864. Today, it is used in almost 100 countries worldwide and remains an essential reference for any individual or organization working within pharmaceutical research and development, manufacturing and testing across the globe. The only official source of British pharmaceutical standards produced by the British Pharmacopoeia Commission Secretariat of the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. And updated annually, the British Pharmacopoeia, BP, is the official, authoritative collection of standards for UK medicinal substances for human and veterinary use. The 2014 edition includes almost 3,500 monographs which are legally enforced by the Human Medicines Regulations 2012. The BP 2013 package includes 6-volume printed edition including the BP Veterinary 2013. 2013 BP, 41 new BP monographs, 40 new European Pharmacopoeia monographs. 619 amended monographs, 6 new and 1 amended infrared reference spectra. 4. United States Pharmacopoeia. The United States Pharmacopoeia and National Formulary, USPNF, is an official public standard-setting authority for all prescription and over-the-counter medicines and other health care products manufactured or sold in the United States. USP also sets recognized standards for food ingredients and dietary supplements. These standards help to ensure the quality, purity, strength, and consistency of products made for public consumption. USP standards are recognized and used in more than 130 countries around the globe. USP's work is aided by the participation and oversight of volunteers representing pharmacy, medicine, and other healthcare professions as well as academia, government, the pharmaceutical and food industries, health plans, and consumer organizations. The United States Pharmacopoeia was originally published in 1820 under the authority of the United States Pharmacopoeial Convention, and the National Formulary was published in 1888 under the guidance of American Pharmaceutical Association. In 1974, the National Formulary was purchased by the United States Pharmacopoeial Convention, and from 1980 onwards only one official book of drug standards was published under the heading The United States Pharmacopoeia and the National Formulary, USPNF. The United States Pharmacopoeia National Formulary, USPNF, 2009 is a book of public pharmacopoeial standards. It contains standards for medicines, dosage forms, drug substances, excipients, medical devices, and dietary supplements. USPNF in English is available in print, online, and CD formats. The USPNF is a 3-volume combination of 2 official compendia, the United States 5 Pharmacopoeia, USP, and the National Formulary, NF monographs for drug substances and preparations are featured in the USP. Monographs for dietary supplements and ingredients appear in a separate section of the USP. Excipient monographs are in the NF. A monograph includes the name of the ingredient of preparation, the definition, packaging, storage and labeling, requirements, and the specification. The specification consists of series of tests, procedures for the tests, and acceptance criteria. These tests and procedures require the use of official USP reference standards. Medicinal ingredients and products will have the stipulated strength, quality, and purity if they conform to the requirements of the monograph and relevant general chapters. 6. Extra pharmacopoeia. The extra pharmacopoeia was first produced in 1883 by William Martindale and is still known as Martindale. This is an authorized reference book on drugs and is used throughout the world. It provides all sorts of latest information on drugs and medicines. The extra pharmacopoeia is prepared by consulting the pharmacopoeias of other countries. The 28th edition was published in December 1982. The 29th edition was published in January 1989 by direction of the Council of the Royal Pharmaceutical Society of Great Britain and prepared in the Society's Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Martindale contains information on drugs in clinical use worldwide, as well as selected investigational and veterinary drugs, herbal and complementary medicines, pharmaceutical excipients, vitamins and nutritional agents, vaccines, radiopharmaceuticals, contrast media and diagnostic agents, medicinal gases, drugs of abuse and recreational drugs, toxic substances, disinfectants and pesticides. 7. The Merck Index Set is an encyclopedia of chemicals, drugs and biologicals. The first edition was published in 1989 and the 11th edition was published in 1989 by Merck & Co., Incorporated, Rahway, New Jersey, USA. 8. The International Pharmacopoeia. The International Pharmacopoeia is published by the World Health Organization and is particularly used in developing countries. The first edition was published in 1951, Volume I, and in 1955, Volume 3. The object of this was to provide a uniform list which would avoid the confusion caused by different national standards, strengths and names, especially for the use of travelers who might need to use the same prescription in different countries. Thank you for listening to the class. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comments section and also reach out to my mail ID which was given in the end slides. If anyone needs Pharmaceutics Notes PDF Unit 1 file, please WhatsApp me. The number was given in the end slide and also in description. And also hit that like, share, subscribe button for latest updates on pharmacy education and also pharmacy jobs and also NEET exam videos.